At first glance, it may be hard to see how an industry that in essence breeds naturally growing products can contribute to our society and our economy. In truth, plant breeding contributes to the continued availability of hundreds of day-to-day products. It supports our domestic crop production and contributes to a healthy export market. Because of this, every £1 invested in plant breeding generates at least £40 for the UK economy. Plant breeding has given us a constant flow of new crop varieties with improved yields, performance and processing qualities that not only support our way of life, but also contribute to our £90 billion food and drink industry, an industry that sources more than 2/3 of its raw materials from British agriculture. From improved farming and crop production efficiencies, import substitution, export earnings, and cheaper consumer goods, plant breeding impacts the British economy in a number of ways. Between 1982 and 2008, 93% of the increase of wheat yield can be attributed to plant breeding, adding value for farmers of up to £445 million per year. Plant breeders have also developed hard milling wheat varieties with high quality protein that now provides more than 80% of the wheat used by UK millers for bread. Through import substitution, this has saved 113,000 tonnes of CO2 per annum and transport costs of £51 million per annum. This is further encouraging the trend to use 100% homegrown wheat in our bread market, dramatically reducing importation and reversing the UK's historical dependence on imported bread wheat. Our beer and whisky industries have benefited from plant breeding too. By increasing the yield capabilities of British malting barley, plant breeders have provided the farming industry with an additional £75.6 million per year. More alcohol can be extracted from the newer malting barley varieties, which has the potential to increase whisky production up to 66.8 million bottles, a retail value of £483 million per year. Plant breeders have been instrumental in safeguarding important whisky export markets by developing low and no glycosidic nitrile barley varieties. These markets are worth around £470 million per annum. Plant breeding has given the brewing industry barley varieties with lower beta-glucan content, which improves its processing, and is worth £105 million per annum to the brewing industry. The 40-fold return on investment associated with plant breeding significantly outperforms other research-based sectors. It's a science that pays for itself and helps grow our economy, sustains our society, keeps us healthy, and protects our environment too.